Welcome to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. In this video, we are going to explore the reduce function in Excel, one of the most powerful and flexible tools in modern Excel. If you ever wondered how Excel can process an entire range of data step by step and return a single meaningful result, reduce is the function you need to know. We shall start by understanding what the reduce function does, how its syntax works, and why choosing the right initial value is so important. Then, through a clear and practical examples, you will see how reduce can calculate sums, products, and even conditional counts, first using traditional Excel formula and then using reduce to achieve the same results more elegantly. We shall also go beyond numbers and look at how reduce works with text by combining multiple values into a single sentence. Finally, I shall explain why reduce is often a better choice than traditional Excel functions, especially when working with dynamic arrays and custom logic. So, if you want to write cleaner formulas, reduce helper columns, and unlock advanced Excel capabilities using LAMBDA functions, let's get started with the reduce function.
Reduce function. The reduce function in Excel applies a custom lambda to each element of an array and accumulates the results into a single value. Syntax equals reduce initial value array lambda accumulator value. Arguments initial underscore value starting point for the accumulator, e.g. 0 for sums, 1 for products. It is important to select the correct initial value. Array, the range, or array to process. Lambda, accumulator value, a custom lambda function that defines how each element is combined. 1. Excel starts with the initial value. 2. It iterates through each element of the array. 3. At each step, the lambda function updates the accumulator using the current value. 4. After processing all elements, the final accumulator is returned. We shall now see some examples of use of reduce function. Range B2 to B6 contains a set of numbers. First, we shall calculate the sum, product, and conditional count in a traditional manner, and then use reduce function to calculate the same. Go to cell B7. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. We have the sum of the numbers in the range. Go to B8. Type in the formula shown on the screen to obtain the product of the numbers in the range. We have the product of the numbers in the range. Go to B9. Type in the formula shown on the screen to obtain the count of the numbers in the range based on the condition it should be above 5. We have the count of the numbers in the range as per the condition set by us. Now we shall use reduce function to obtain the same result. Go to cell B7. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. We have the sum of the numbers in the range using the reduce function. Go to B8. Type in the formula shown on the screen to obtain the product of the numbers in the range. We have the product of the numbers in the range using reduce function. Go to C9. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. We have the count of the numbers exceeding 5 in the range. Now we shall demonstrate reduce function on text. We have 7 colors of rainbow. We want to combine them in one long sentence. Go to B19. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. We have all the text combined into one text. The key reasons to prefer reduce over traditional Excel functions. Greater flexibility lets you define custom accumulation logic, sums, concatenations, tiered calculations, etc. that standard functions like SUMPRODUCT or SUMPRODUCT cannot handle natively. Cleaner, single-cell formulas eliminates the need for helper columns, volatile functions, or complex nested arrays, making spreadsheets easier to read, audit, and maintain. Optimized for dynamic arrays. Integrates seamlessly with modern Excel features, Lambda, filter, map, scan, producing powerful, spillable, and self-contained solutions. Reduces errors in maintenance. Replaces fragile drag formulas with portable, logic-contained expressions, minimizing breakage and simplifying long-term upkeep. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.